Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering off and removing the keyboard, kickstand, and any storage or SIM modules. This prevents short circuits and gives you room to work. Once done, warm the screen perimeter with a heat gun or eye opener to loosen adhesive. This reduces risk of cracking. Make small, steady pries with plastic picks, working around the bezel. Keep screws and magnetic parts organized because reassembly requires exact placement. You're creating safe access to the display assembly while avoiding damage to internals. Once the bezel is loose, remove the perimeter screws securing the LCD frame and lift the assembly slightly to expose connectors. You're doing this to avoid stressing flex cables. Then, using a non-metal spudger, unplug the display and touch digitizer connectors. Prying at the connector edge prevents bent pins. Next, gently unseat antenna and camera flexes routed near the screen. Detaching them carefully avoids tearing delicate ribbons. Keep track of which screws return to which holes, because Surface devices use mixed lengths. You should test the replacement screen before final sealing. Reconnect the display and touch cables temporarily and power the unit to verify image and touch responsiveness, because catching issues now saves rework. Once confirmed, apply new adhesive strips, press the bezel evenly around the perimeter, and reinsert screws and any removed modules. If touch or display behaves oddly, power down and reseat the digitizer connector. Make sure there's no debris and that pins are straight. That one troubleshooting step solves most post-repair issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.